Hello, Kevin Obina from netballtech.com is here. So in today's video, I want to show you how to upgrade your TradingView account from basic plan to a pro plan. So if you created your TradingView account, it will be default to a free plan, that is a basic plan, as you can see here, a basic which costs nothing. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can upgrade it from basic to this pro account. As you can see pro here. Upgrading it to pro, which costs 14.95 USD, helps you to get additional features. As you can see, everything you on this pro plan, once you upgrade it, you will get features of 5 indicators per chart, 10 server side alerts, ad free. Alright, this is top features of this pro plan and other features. Alright, that is why I'm going to show you how you can upgrade to this pro plan. Alright, so what you need to do first is to come to this TradingView billing session and scroll down. You will see this basic. Just scroll down again and you will see this pro plan, which costs $14.95 USD. Alright, so once you come to this pro plan, you click on start now. As you can see, so I click on start now. So and here it will ask me, do I want to do annual payment or monthly payment? As you can see here, so in my case, I want to do monthly payment, which is 14.95 USD per month. So what I need to do is to click on this next and we continue. So I have clicked on the next. So what I need to do now is, as you can see, need extra market data. It's asked here. I am good without it. I will just buy the plan as it is for now. So that's what I'm going to click. It has two options. The question, the second one is I need that data, show me the available market packages. But in this case, what I need to click is I am good with it. I will just buy the plan as it is for now. So and I select it and I scroll down and I click on this next. Alright, so I click next. It will load up and here it will require us to select our payment method. So as you can see, payment method, this one is payment card, Google Pay, PayPal. So if you have any of this, you can pay with it. So what I need to do, I have already added my card before. I have already added my Visa card, which ends 1440. But for the cost of this training, I will be adding my new payments card, which is Visa. So I select payments card. Scroll down. So it's loading. So I've selected this payments card. I scroll down. As you can see here, card number, payments card number. So I need to enter the card number here. So let me paste it now. So I copied it already. So I need to paste it. So this is the card number. So after entering the card number, what I need to do is to enter the expiring date. Expiring date is 04/25. So and this CVV, I fill it in. So for security reasons, I might cover it. So and here it requires us to enter our card holder name. So I need to enter the name on the card, Kevin Ogwan. So here it requires us to fill in the billing address associated with the card, as you can see. So what I need to do is to select the card is a US card in dollar currency. So USA. So I select USA. So this is USA. I select it, and here it requires for me to select a state or region. So California. So as you can see, different states: Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, and California. This is it. Select it. In case for you need to select the one that matches yours. So here zip code. So the zip code is 94105. Alright, I fill in the card details, writing the postal code. So you can check. So here I've filled in the card details. So what I need to do is to check this and check everything again and click on complete your purchase. As you can see here. So I need to click on complete your purchase. So before I do that, I must first have above $14.95 inside my card. So I'm using a dollar card, so I have more than $14.95. So what I need to do is to click on confirm your purchase, and let's see what will happen. So I click on it now. So let's see what will happen. So my payment was so let me see now. So my payment was safe now. As you can see, pro plan total. Let me scroll down a little bit. So as you can see, thanks for purchasing. So this payment was successful. So this is how to purchase a TradingView Pro plan. Alright, so after making payment, you can start chatting, and then your account will be on the Pro plan. Alright, so if you need help purchasing a TradingView Pro plan, you can comment in the comment section interested in the card. You can request if you need my help to help you upgrade your account to a Pro plan. You can check my contact number in the description, so that you get in contact with me on WhatsApp, so that I help you out. Alright, so I remain Kevin Obinna from networktech.com. So this is Network Tech, as you can see here. So this is my website. You can as well check this out and contact me through here. Right, so I remain Kevin Obinna from networktech.com. Have a nice day ahead. Bye.